This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Today is Thursday, April 22nd, and we're going to switch gears and take a look at a pink sheet stock, ACDU, Accredited Business Consolidators. This chart caught my eye for a couple different reasons. Everything kind of on a sideways trend, while the PPS is on a little bit of a downtrend, but looks like it's ironing out a bottom. The accumulation distribution is one thing that catches my eye. Look at that's a very strong uptrend over the last couple months. Shaking money flow staying green. You can see that the full stow is trying to hold a trend line right there. We're going to look for a turn to get back over 50 again. Tricks, trading sideways or trending sideways. We'll take a look at this to try and make a breakthrough zero. A lot of the indicators is kind of in a holding pattern. Well, the PPS has been on a slight downtrend. RSIs on that break together through 50 is a nice looking sign. You can see it tried to make a big move a couple days ago. I think that'd be Monday, and it couldn't hold. And it tried again yesterday with a slight increase in volume. Actually, it was more volume than the day it tried to make the big move where it gapped up and slid back. I have to take a look at L2s on this and see what kind of spread there is. I'm looking at this to try and make a move today, honestly. Gets support in a variety of levels, but I'd look for this to try and hold 0.005. It's been, it's dipped below, wick below it a whole bunch of times, but it's trying to, as the open and close goes, it's trying to hold that for a lot of days. See, it's also at a resistance level right now. We talk about this a lot of times when it stair steps and trickles downward, so to speak. There's a lot of different resistance levels. I think that where it's sitting today at 0.065 is going to be a kind of tough point for it. I think it'll see some more up in here, up around 7.5. But right now, this first resistance this needs to get through is where it closed. But we see all the moving averages are now getting tight together. They've been a little bit tight together, but still they were trending down some. Now we've got the short terms, the 5, 10, 20, all below it. The 50-day is now below it, which is a big deal. We want it to hold over the 50-day, break through this resistance, see if we can get a little bit more volume. Bollinger Bands, of course, have basically been in a downward channel with it, but stayed relatively, channel-like, where they haven't gapped real big one way or the other. So we're going to try and see this make a move and start trading at the upper part of this Bollinger Band and make a move to the north side here, break through this resistance. Let's look for volume. If that happens, not only will we see the RSIs continue their strong move upward, but we'll see these indicators that are a little bit indecisive, that your longer term indicators like your MACD and your PPO, make that breakthrough zero, and it'll become a much more bullish chart. It's in a little bit of a holding pattern, but I think it's a chart to take a look at, possibly even today, to try and make a move. Now, if it pulls back down, we're going to continue to look for it to hold this 0.005, see if it can stay within this trading channel, and then try and make a move through it. Of course, the indicators all being dynamic will change a little bit, but let's see what it does today, see if it can break through this, see if it can get a little bit more volume. This is Andy with Quality Stocks, taking a look at ACDU.